guys, update lang dito sa Jump Mining. So withdraw na naman. So click na natin tong get all para pumasok sa ating total assets. Ayan guys, may balance na akong 1.71. Click na natin tong withdraw. Philippine peso, $1. Ayan. Okay, no, ayan. Then, ayan, processing na siya. And i-chat na natin yung ating manager. Wait lang, screenshot ko muna pala. Tapos, yung aking ID number. Para mabilis ma-process yung aking withdraw. Na, where yes. And start OROI. Wow, grabe oh. Just start March 14 and today ROI in 5 days. Wow, laki naman ng withdraw na niya sa ano oh. Hi, ma'am. At Shirley. Can you process my withdraw? My ID number is 110. Then baka matabunan to ay pwede naman natin siyang ano ba yun, i-BM. So sana ba si Shirley dito? Yan. Dami kong busy. So yun guys, wait na lang natin dumating sa ating Gcash yung ating sana isinan nila. Dami na nakaano dito guys, nakaka-withdraw, grabe. Mukhang tatagal to katulad ng Hero Mining. Sumabay na kayo guys. Later, 7 PM may meeting na naman. Then, magbibigay na naman sila ng cash bonus. So, sali na kayo dito guys. Pero sa mga nag-recharge lang yung may cash bonus. So, nakalagay dito, notify everyone. There is a meeting tonight at 7 o'clock members. Please notify your subordinates. Want to learn how to make money and there's all the pros. So, ayun guys, maganda dito kasi yung manager nagpapa-meeting. Hi guys, ayan guys, pumasok na yung aking withdraw dito sa Jump Mining. You have received 51 of Gcash. So, paying pa din si Jump Mining guys. And ito siya, settlements succeeded. So, naka-apat na withdraw na ako guys. So, malapit ko na rin mabawi yung pinuhunan ko. Then, puro passive income na lang yung darating sa. So, yun guys, try nyo na para habang bago pa. And very active yung manager. So, ayun guys. Nagtuturo na yung manager dito. Now, I show you how to earning by working part of your job. Ayun na guys. O, yan na, nag-umpisa na yung manager. So, active yung manager natin dito sa GC guys. Nagtuturo siya. Tapos, after ng meeting is that may pa-cashback bonus. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!